Okay guys, today we want to show you a custom 20-foot H model, a custom 26-foot H2 model, and a custom 32-foot H2 model toy hauler. Let's just go down the line and start with this 20-foot H model toy hauler. We've got a patio kit here on the back. Looks like an 8-foot tall ramp door, dual bunks in the rear end here. It's outfitted with a 19-foot awning. We've got a 2-foot entry door here with some upgraded steps, and then a 4-foot entry door here with your wheelchair lift with magnetic catches on both doors. This one here is a Braun Millennium lift. It does have the remote controls as well as the joystick control operation, and it can handle up to 800-pound weight capacity. This 20-foot H model is on the smaller side when it comes to handicap accessible trailers, but it does pack a punch, and let's show you the inside. As you walk in, you're going to notice it's outfitted with our Ozark Shadows light gray cabinetry. We do have a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge here along this driver's side and a pantry right next to it. This is a driver's side loaded floor plan with the kitchen and everything along this driver's side wall, leaving the passenger side wide open. We've got plenty of storage here with an overhead cabinet next to a microwave here above. Stainless steel appliances. You've got a 2-burner cooktop below. Plenty of storage down below here. Some full depth drawers. Your controls, water heater controls. TV here in the ceiling. So this is a manual mount. Just push it and it folds down. Swing this left or right, and it just straps up to the ceiling when you're done using it. We have an overhead cabinet mounted here from the ceiling down, up and out of the way, so you could walk right under it. A portable generator. This is your portable gas Cummins generator. A window, and here are your dual bunks in the back. Both are queen size, 80 by 60 inches. So in these smaller sizes, you're looking more along the lines of a front bathroom, front kitchen model. This is a 4-foot roll-in shower. We've got a fantastic fan here in the ceiling that's remote operated, and an adjustable shower head here to raise and lower the shower head. Upgrading this shower from its standard size gives you plenty of room in this bathroom, especially without a vanity. We added a window here to bring in some natural light. It's got blinds, of course, and then a pocket door, so you don't have a door swinging in or out of the bathroom, and it saves lots of space. So I want to show you this trailer with the beds up and out of the way. You got a lot more room in here. This patio on the back does add a lot more room to this trailer. This door here does allow you to exit and step off the end, but 20 foot seems to be a great size, especially for this customer. They're going to be towing it behind a transit van, and they have a child in a chair, so it's going to be a great trailer for them to go out and create new memories with. So we have 2 more trailers to show you. Let's step on over to this 26-foot H2 model. This one's outfitted in our pewter corrugated aluminum finish, which is like a silver color. It also has a patio on the back as well, but it does have an added 3-season patio door and an awning here above. So you can only get a 7-foot tall ramp door with an awning above. This 4-foot entry door here is a shorter height. It's 5 foot tall. The reason for it's to lower this grab handle. We've got magnetic catches on it as well. A 2700 lumen floodlight above, and then we have a commercial lift here to get in and out of the trailer with. So the main reason for a commercial lift is because it does sit taller. This trailer has flipped axles, and it needs to extend to a higher distance. Our H2 model toy haulers are front bedroom models, so we added an entry door here with some magnetic catches as well, and this allows able-bodied people to get in and out of the trailer. Here in the front bedroom, we have a queen size bed. Under the mattress, we have access to storage in the pass-through. We've got wardrobe closets here and a nightstand below. Here on this nightstand, we have our monitor. This monitor here can show you all the 4 different camera angles. So you got 2 side marker cameras, you got a front nose cap camera, and then a camera off the rear ramp door. Got some drawers down below in this nightstand and an added furnace to the bedroom here. This trailer has pocket doors as well, so no swing. Saves a lot of space getting in and out of the bedroom to the bathroom. Your furnace controls, AC controls here, your awning control here as well. This bathroom here is designed with our 39 by 37 inch standard roll-in shower. The previous trailer had a upgraded 48 inch shower. We've got grab bars in this trailer, as you noticed, a lower toilet here. This is a Thetford toilet. It's only 14 inches off of the ground instead of our standard 18 inch tall toilet. The customer chose this toilet because he has a special chair that'll sit over it. We've got a second pocket door here, so you can do these on both sides of your bathroom to make it easier to get by, and both doorways are 30 inches wide. Furnace, AC, and solar controller installed here. Let's show you this living quarters. So another Ozark Shadows interior. We've got our 12 volt, 10 cubic foot fridge freezer that you see us put in most of our trailers. A furnace here below, your second furnace in this trailer. And a beautiful kitchen here with upgraded Corian countertops. Solid surface countertops means you can get some undermount sinks. We've got a dual basin sink there. We've got your controls here, some drawers for storage below. A 3-burner cooktop with oven. This is the glass top cover as well. A microwave installed above here. And in the ceiling here, we have a 40-inch TV. This is a smart TV, and it's on a electric ceiling mount, so you just push a button and it can fold up and down from the ceiling. An overhead cabinet mounted high there, and then a 4-foot folding counter down below. So this does fold flat against the wall, but can give you more counter space if you need it. You've got a queen bed above, dual opposing sofas down below. These do tumble into a queen bed for a bed below, and then you can use the ladder here to access the bed above. So for the video purposes, we have the queen bed up above currently pinned up and out of the way so that we have plenty of headroom here to walk through. These 3-season doors here are super nice, super fancy. Keep the nice cold air in if it's hot outside, or can keep the heat in if it's cold out. LED light strip in that awning, and here's your view from the patio. So these 3-season doors also swing open to load and unload some of your toys. But looking at this trailer, 26 foot, I mean, it just feels like the right size. You got plenty of room in here. It's potentially a half-ton towable trailer. You've got a front bedroom in this size. So I'm really liking this 26 foot H2 model here. TV here in the bedroom above this window. And let's get outside and show you some of the features out here. So you have a 21-foot awning on this trailer. Here's your camera up front, and then your side marker cameras. Underneath the bed here, you've got storage access. So this is a lowered front bed, making it easier to get in and out of the bed, but you get a tad bit shorter storage. Electric tongue jack, propane bottles, 2 6-volt batteries, a battery cutoff switch. So here's another access to your underbed storage. But these are 12-inch tall doors. Standard height is 16 inches. So we've got 100 gallons of fresh water, 100 gallons of gray and black combined, 2 7,000-pound axles, an exterior shower here, 10-gallon dual source water heater, a ladder to get you to the roof to clean off solar panels or maintenance, and another shot of your patio. So if you're still with me, I appreciate it. This is a little bit longer of a video, but we wanted to show you 3 in 1. This is the 32-foot H2 model. Starting off here with the ramp door, we've got a winch. So this can lower and raise the ramp door with just a push of a button. How cool is that? Outfitted in our white smooth fiberglass siding, we've got some exterior storage here on this passenger side. Get you underneath the bed. We've got a 4-foot entry door here. This one has the extended grab handle with the keypad lock on it, so you can reach it down lower. Super cool feature. We have another commercial Braun lift due to the height of this trailer. Another 2-foot man door here with upgraded steps to get in and out of the trailer. Magnetic catches on that door there. And a 21-foot awning that spans across the top of both entry doors. So you can choose where you want your wheelchair lift to be located in your trailer. This particular trailer here has the lift installed in the bedroom. So it's all based on floor plan design and how much space you want in your bedroom or living quarters and cargo, but get with your rep and can design it any way you'd like. First thing you're going to notice walking in this trailer here is the kitchen. Everything in this kitchen is lowered. You do have a roll under section here. So overhead cabinet is lowered, and this kitchen counter here is lowered as well. Kitchen counter is 32 inches from the floor, and these overhead cabinets are 52 inches from the floor. So someone in a chair can access it. You've got a single basin sink with a pull-down faucet. This 3-burner cooktop with oven and a fridge mounted here directly on the floor instead of our normal height of 18 inches off of the floor. We got a furnace located here with some of your controls for water heater and pump. Everything being lowered in this trailer makes it a lot easier for someone in a wheelchair to access. So you do have some overhead cabinets above on this side. Your furniture, it does fold up against the wall like you see here on this passenger side. You've got a queen bed above and then opposing sofas below. This customer chose our tan fabric furniture to go along with their mocha cabinetry. So it does pair up really nice and much different than our standard. The other thing you're going to notice about this trailer is its huge 50-inch TV that folds down from the ceiling. It is massive, and I am 5'9" and have to duck a little walking under it. This bathroom here is huge. It's got a roll under vanity here, just like the kitchen, a toilet, lots of counter space. There is a pocket door here between the living quarters and the bathroom. This is a 30-inch doorway. So again, a huge space saver. You've got an upgraded 4-foot roll-in shower here, similar to the one you saw in the first trailer. A fantastic fan in the ceiling. Every one of these have that remote operated. You've got a linen closet here, so that's a pretty neat little feature. This bathroom is larger than standard, so this linen closet here helps provide some more storage, and another pocket door accessing the bedroom. So easy in, easy out. As I said earlier, this trailer has our mocha cabinetry, so our brown cabinets. You've got a wardrobe closet there, and then a second wardrobe closet next to it with a nightstand, larger nightstand below, and then you've got drawers that are full depth that pull all the way out for more storage. This is almost the size of like a dresser. Second furnace and breaker and fuse box there, and an overhead cabinet stretching along the head of the queen bed. Again, access to the storage underneath this bed, and you have plenty of floor space in this bedroom. You have about 50 inches of floor space here. Furnace, AC, and light controls there, and a view of your lift from your bedroom. So this trailer came out absolutely beautiful, as did the others. Being in a wheelchair, you need space to move around. You need things to be accessible. All 3 of these trailers here have that. It's just a matter of designing the perfect one for you and your family. Again, you have a 21-foot awning that spans across both these entry doors. You have an electric tongue jack here up front, your propane bottles as well, and your battery and cutoff switch. Access to your storage here under the bed. On this driver's side, this is your taller 16-inch pass-through storage. This trailer has 100 gallons fresh, 50 gray, and 50 black. An upgraded 10-gallon dual-source water heater, 2 7,000-pound axles, exterior shower here, vented hood range. This trailer has it all. So as you can see, 3 different sizes, all handicap accessible toy haulers. We specialize in building custom toy haulers to suit your needs. Contact us anytime with questions. Have a great day.